Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making KSCraft Lover Store. I call it the Scalloped Heart bag topper, but they just call it the Valentine Heart bag topper. So I will have all the links down below, but this is another one of Nicole Silhouette's dies, and I really love it. It is so stinking cute. So these are what you're going to get. So you have your top piece and then your bottom piece. Now, I kind of goofed, so I'm going to tell you what I did. Okay, so this is actually your top piece. This is the one that has that little tab at the top, okay? It's just going to make everything a whole lot easier for you if you do that. Now, for your top piece, you do not have to cut apart your heart. You can just leave it in there if you like. That way it will stay together for your shaker, but you can also use tape if you want to. I always use washi tape. Now for your bottom piece, you're going to want to go ahead and take that heart out, okay? Or you can leave it in and then you'd have a double clear shaker, okay? I mean, that's just really up to you. I don't even know. You may still have to do it. You still may have to take it out. Yeah, I would think so. Just because in case you want to, you're going to have a piece that's like this, that's solid, okay? To make your shaker. Or you could have double acetate. That's really up to you. But anyway, let me tell you how I have done this, okay? So, like I said, I kind of messed up, and I really am going to use, I did 2 of these, okay, and this is with the heart, the second little heart knot in there, okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off the topper for one of them, okay, because I don't need it. I'm going to put my glasses on so I do this right. Okay, and this is just so that I can stack these back to back, okay? So one of them is going to be for your shaker, and then the other one is actually going to be your bottom piece, okay? So I'm going to have that as my bottom piece, and this is going to be the bottom piece of my shaker. Now, for my top piece, I went ahead and I did cut out a little too many. You probably just need 2. And that way I always sandwich my acetate in between. Now, I did not cut out my acetate on the die cutting machine because it is hard to poke all those little holes out, right? So what I did is I went ahead and traced it, and just to get a basic trace, and then I'm going to come back in here and kind of fix up what I need to fix up, right? And then it's going to go in between here. So I hope that makes sense. Let me just trim. Just kind of edging this up right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and go around this a little bit more and make it smaller. Let's see if that's enough. Nope, still quite a bit. Guys, maybe it is easier just to cut it out on the thing. I don't know. But I think that this actually looks pretty good. So that works for me. And then I would just put this on top. And then now I would have my acetate topper. Okay. Now also I ran it through 2 times and just cut off the edge right here with foam paper. And I get that from Michael's. And so I did that twice, and this is a 1/8 inch foam paper. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to do the rest with a process video. Oh, and don't forget, so your little extra hearts that you have, don't throw those away. We're going to be using those. love how this turned out, and I just think that this die is so stinking cute. I hope you all get a chance to purchase one. They are $4.99 on the AliExpress store, and I'm not sure if they have them on Amazon, but I will definitely add that link down below if they are, and that way you can get it faster. But I just used some flat back pearls that were gifted to me and from Debbie. Thank you, Debbie. And also I used some of these Buttons Galore silver butterflies, and all I did was cut off the little button portion on the back, you know, with a little clip. I added some little star sprinkles that I got from Michael's, and the heart shaker pieces are from KSCraft, and they are really high quality. Definitely, I love these, okay? And they're really not that much more expensive than the cheap stinking ones I paid for, and I'm not happy with, but I'm using them anyway because I did pay for them. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget to check out all the links down below in the description box. Guys, have a great one. Bye.